The other thing is there's a seed pool slide here, so you set your seed pool to your rate and your size of your seed. So it's very, very simple, and that system works very well. It's variable rate and section control, so if you're going across areas where you've already seeded, it'll automatically switch off. That's the beauty of electric drive, and it's all instantaneous. Seed counter down here, you can see we've actually been experimenting. That's a little bit of quinoa, which is a very small seed similar to canola. So today we've seeded quinoa, we've done some wheat trials, we've done sorghum, we've got obviously corn, soybeans, all of that. This thing will do it. It's a fantastic machine for various seeds. But the seed sensor is down there. That's once again the brains behind the thing. It's counting seeds like cotton, so it's counting the seeds, and it knows your speed. So if there's any variation in that, it sends a signal back to the brain into this electric control unit, and it changes your rate on the go. It's very simple and works a treat.